Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into eToro detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into eToro, open your preferred web browser. Type www.etoro.com into the address bar and hit enter. Wait for the eToro homepage to load completely. Look for the login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be redirected to the login screen. Enter the email address associated with your eToro account in the first field. Next, input your password in the second field. Before moving on, ensure that your credentials are accurate. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for recovery options. After entering your email and password, click the Login button. Wait a moment as the system processes your login request. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your eToro dashboard. In the case of an incorrect login attempt, an error message will appear. Double-check your email and password for any typing errors. Alternatively, if you're using the eToro mobile app, launch the app on your device. Tap the Login button on the app's welcome screen. Input your email and password in their respective fields. Once entered, tap the Login button to access your account. If you're using two-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete this step. Once logged in, you'll be able to explore your eToro portfolio and trading options. Enjoy your time trading on eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.